Hi, I'm Larry Lincoln. I designed a revolutionary new Slant-t hitting stand. When you get your Slant-t at home, it comes in a box. It's real simple to put it together. Just remove the hitting base, which has the gimbal piece already attached to it. Remove both upper and lower tube assemblies. Take the lower tube assembly, take the clevis pin out, slide the bolt through, and if you're like me and you need your glasses, take the lower tube assembly, align the holes with the gimbal piece on the base, slide the pin through, snap the clevis pin in place, put the upper tube assembly in the lower tube assembly, adjust to the height of the hitter, place the ball wherever you want in the hitting zone, and you're ready to go. Thank you.